It's time for package from China. Unboxing. Hey, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to do a little package from China unboxing. Well, not a lot of packages, but I already unpacked some because I need to make the review. But here are some different versions and some different packages from China. I just want to do a little bit of unboxing together with you, just because we can. Alright, so let's start with this small envelope. We're going to need a yellow scissor. Yeah. I'm very curious. I have really no clue what's in it. So as always, a surprise for you and for me. Ooh, we have a new multi-game card from the brand You Swallow. Sorry. And that name is really funny. Alright, this is the top of the 143 game cartridge. Alright, very weird name for a collection, but nevertheless, okay. We have a new multi-game card, the USA version. Let's see what we have in this one. We're going to cut it from the side. Alright, let's see what we're going to get. And another multi-game card. This is the 120 in 1. This is the in full version. Yes, it's an invasion, people. It's an invasion of these multi-game cards. And yeah, we keep recording new reviews. Alright, let's unpack the big box. And let's see what we're going to get with this. Yeah. Ooh. Can you guess what's inside? Very curious what's inside this one. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. I have really no clue what's in it. Ooh. Ooh, it feels like my birthday. Yes, what's inside? What's inside? Alright, we have a new clone system. I have really no clue if this is a 60-bit or an 8-bit. That's something we need to figure out. So the packing is really good. And what do we have here? The computer video game system. Okay, so I have seen this controller before. It's from the Retro 3 Plus, but okay, it's a little bit busted, but feels quite heavy. Alright, very cool, very cool. Let's see what we have more over here. Ooh, this one is very heavy. Very curious what's in it. From above. I can rather call this thing the Pac-Man scissor. Alright, it's time for Predator mode. Alright, so it's the SNES Mini. The banner set is the Retro 6-in-1. I did a talking video about it. That is Josie shitting out the controller and Princess Peach is trying to catch the controller. Alright, so very curious about this thing. What is going to run? Here at the back we can find. Let's wait. We can see that it runs arcade, but the question is more how it's going to run. Because I did a review about a similar product. Didn't look like this one, but was more like a weird rip-off of the SNES European version. And the emulation was so poor. So very curious, very heavy this package. The last one, the green one. Right. Ooh, Ripper. Alright, so first of all, I like this packaging of this thing. It's super cute, it's super tiny. And do you already see what it is? The classic retro mini TV, super mini TV game. Look at it. It's another PlayStation 1 mini classic ripoff. It's a little bummer. TV out, so no HDMI. I'm very curious. I like the packaging. It's a very nice packaging itself, so I'm very curious what are we going to get, what games are on it. It's a 720, so I'm very curious The packaging is very similar to the SNES 8-bit version. They keep releasing these 8-bit system and I can't help myself. I need to review them. I need to try and see what it is. So yeah, this concludes a little bit of what are we going to get. There's more like, you can see an unboxing together and small update of the products that are coming to this channel. We have a lot of great stuff and more packages are coming in. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing together with you. I hope you really liked it. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked gaming channel. Because I have also a gaming channel where I do only gameplay videos together with my team. Alright, to conclude this video, see you next time. And stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked.